This video demonstrates how to use your activation code from Campion Education to help you easily activate your eText. Each publisher has different steps you will need to follow. We will guide you through the process for each publisher to make it as easy as possible for you to get started. After you order your eText through Campion Education, you will receive an email containing the details of your eText you ordered, your unique access code, the publisher website, and instructions on how to access your eText. To get started, click on the publisher website in your email or enter it in your web browser. If you have an existing Matilda Education digital account, log in using your existing student email address and password. Click Login. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Trouble Signing In link. On the Trouble Signing In page, check your student email address on your existing account is entered into the field and click Reset My Password to have an email sent to your inbox with a link to reset your password. If you are a new user, you will need to create a Matilda Education digital account. Click the Register link. Select your school from the Select School drop-down list. Enter your first name, last name, student email, and a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters in length and contain a mix of uppercase, lowercase, and alphanumeric characters. Next, confirm your password and then click on the Create Account button. We recommend you use your student email address, but if you don't have one, use a personal email address. Once you're registered, you will need to confirm your email address. An email will be sent to the email address you have registered your account with. Open the email and click on the link provided to complete your registration. Once you're registered or logged in, you'll be alerted to not having any products available in your My Digital library. To activate your Matilda Education product, you will need to enter an activation code. Select the plus symbol or click the Activate Code link. Once you click the Activate Code link, you will be given the option to activate access code or reactivate access code. You will find the access code in your email from Campion Education. Copy and paste the access code from your email into the spaces requested and click Verify. Then click Activate. Once activated, you'll be taken to your home page, My Digital Library, and you can see that you have a product available in your library. Your new eText will be displayed in your My Digital Library for use. To begin reading, click on the eBook button under the cover image. If you still need help, you can email our digital support help desk at digitalhelp@campion.com.au. Please provide us with your username, student name, the name of your school, and a brief description of the issue you are having. We hope you have found this video useful. For more help videos and step-by-step guides, visit us at campion.com.au.